When to upgrade your snowblower. Signs it's time for a replacement. Winter's coming, and it's time to make sure your snowblower is up for the challenge. But how do you know when it's time to upgrade? If your snowblower is making frequent trips to the repair shop, it may be time to consider a replacement. Constant repairs add up quickly in both time and cost. Another sign is performance. If your snowblower isn't clearing snow as well as it used to, leaving patches behind, or struggling with heavier snow, it might be past its prime. Does your snowblower take several tries to start? Today's models come with push-button electric starts, making life so much easier in cold weather. Excessive vibration or strange noises when it's running can indicate serious wear and tear. Newer models are designed to run smoother and quieter, saving you from that hassle. And don't forget about features. If you're missing out on LED headlights, power steering, or heated handles, an upgrade could make your snow removal faster and more comfortable. At Suburban Lawn Equipment, we offer a wide range of snowblowers for all property sizes and needs.